All right, guys, we finally got the 2024 Volkswagen Atlas in. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance reminder when you guys get to that point. There's no physical buttons on this. This is the all digital cluster. But don't worry, it's super easy, just like last time. So the buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel, you'll press once to pull up the menus and then scroll till you find the time distance. You'll press right again and then press and hold for approximately 5 seconds. The only difference is once the service menu pops up, you'll select which item you want to reset. Press OK. Press OK. Confirms that it was reset. But if you're doing a extended maintenance, you're going to have to go back into it again to reset the oil change and the inspection service. That's the only difference this time. All right, I hope that helps. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.